So there are several things that you want to avoid as a business or a business owner when you're preparing your agreements. It can vary depending on whether you're the supplier or the customer, or you're the buyer or the seller. But in general, you want to avoid ambiguous or loose language around the deliverable. You want the deliverable to be tightly described so that each party to the contract knows whether it's being performed and delivered. Another thing you want to avoid potentially is being locked into a contract long term, even after the point when it's no longer working for you. Relatedly, especially if you're working with a customer, you want to avoid overpromising or having a vague deliverable, because in that situation, the customer is inevitably going to have a big version in their mind of what you're providing, whereas you had a tinier version or a more limited scope. So you want to be very tight around that language. So for a business and a business owner, it's really great to have an attorney at your side who can strategize with you. And one thing you may or may not appreciate is that even when you have an attorney at your side, the attorney doesn't have to surface. You can just go to that attorney for counsel and for advice and suggestions and handle the negotiations yourself. Or if the situation calls for it, you can have the attorney stand up on your behalf and handle some of the negotiations. If you have any questions about contract negotiation and what's important in a contract and what you need to insist upon in a contract, please give us a call at the Sierra Crest Business Law Group.